What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be replacing a high pressure switch, the one seen there in the picture, on this Lennox condenser. The one seen in this picture, you can see the model number there that I'm working on today. And I'm going to show you step by step how we're going to replace this thing. First off, we're going to remove this cover panel. Has some 1/4 inch screws. You'll see the two yellow wires. Those are the ones we're going to disconnect and reconnect. It's a pretty simple change out. We're basically going to be removing and replacing in the same exact manner. We're going to remove this bottom panel here. It's got another couple of 1/4 inch screws. And there's the high pressure switch. It's basically just bypassing the 24 volts that goes to the unit. And the good thing about this pressure switch is that it's a screw on and it has a Schrader valve, so you won't need to braze this out. You can just take it off with some pliers like I'm about to do. So there it is to the left with it's a resettable one that has a button on it. So I'm just going to replace it with the exact same one. If you need this switch, I'll put a link in the bio for it from Amazon. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing one side, this way we don't bend the copper or anything. Alright. Like I said, it has a Schrader valve on there, so once you unscrew this thing, it's not going to leak a bunch of refrigerant out. There we go. Now, it's not the yellow wire going to the capacitor. It's this yellow wire here. It's coming from the low voltage, 24 volts. I'm gonna cut these. I had a couple of those I had to cut off. These little zip ties. By the way, it didn't show you, but the other side of that yellow line there was going to the contactor. So you'll have one that goes to the one side of the contactor and the other one that goes to the low voltage. See, it has a little needle there that presses the Schrader valve when you install it. In this case, this high pressure switch was going off randomly, which it was just going bad. It was not an issue with the fan or anything. So what I'm doing is it's not a very good focus on the camera, but I'm reaching up through and feeding the wires back through the hole and getting them back through the other side of the unit behind that panel. Alright, so we have these wires fed back through the other side, and now I'm just going to reconnect it. One of them is going to connect here on the contactor on the low voltage, and the other side is going to connect to the thermostat wire coming into the unit. It basically just bypasses. The problem that this was causing on the unit was it wasn't coming on at all. So this client would turn their air conditioner and nothing was coming on the outside on this condenser. So I found that it needed to be reset, and usually that's because the fan motor is going bad, or maybe your refrigerant pressure is off and it's causing the pressure to build up. There's a few things that could cause the pressure to build up, and in this circumstance it was just the pressure switch itself going bad, because I did reset it a few times and it kept tripping, so this was time to just be replaced. And that's pretty much it. We're going to put this bottom panel back on, put the top panel back on, and fire it up, and we'll be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks again for watching.